What's up mga kabites? Welcome to Most Burger here in SM Mega Mall. Today I'm gonna try their shrimp cheese rice burger for 249 pesos and my favorite Most fruit iced tea for 84 pesos. For any new restaurant or fast food that I go, the safest choice for me is anything with seafood, especially prawn or shrimp. I love the idea of a rice burger pero hindi ito yung nasa mind ko. This looked like a Chinese takeout box. But the presentation didn't really matter because it was so good. The rice was a bit mushy, pero the shrimp tempura, cheese tempura, jalapeno tempura were so tender. And yes, I have never known of the existence of cheese tempura until today when I looked up the ingredients. And if you saw my previous Most Burger vlog, you know that the Most fruit iced tea is bomb AF. So bomb, I had to order twice kasi wala silang refillables. This Japanese burger chain truly hits different. Here, I wrote a great feedback for one waiter. The serve. Ayun lang. Bye!